To use custom grounding settings inside NotebookLM, start by understanding that NotebookLM is already a source-grounded AI system by default. This means all responses are generated strictly from the documents you upload, rather than from external web data. To customize grounding, open NotebookLM and sign in with your Google account. Inside your notebook, go to the Sources panel where all uploaded files are listed. These sources form the foundation of what NotebookLM uses to generate answers. Custom grounding is done by controlling which sources are active and how you instruct the model to use them. You can upload multiple documents, then selectively focus the AI by enabling only relevant sources or by explicitly telling the model which sources to prioritize in your prompt. For example, you can instruct NotebookLM to use only source A and source B, or answer based only on the methodology sections of the uploaded papers. This allows you to narrow the grounding context and control exactly what information the model relies on. You can also adjust grounding behavior through multi-source strategies. For instance, you may ask the model to compare two documents, summarize only one file, or exclude certain sources from consideration entirely. These prompt-level instructions act as your main customization tool. After setting your grounding preferences, use the chat panel to ask your question. NotebookLM will generate responses strictly based on the selected or instructed sources, ensuring that the output stays aligned with your intended context. If the response includes unwanted information, you can refine your prompt or adjust which sources are active. This allows you to iteratively control how tightly or broadly the AI grounds its answers. And that's how you use custom grounding settings inside NotebookLM. Control your sources, guide the model with clear instructions, and shape how tightly the AI stays anchored to your selected materials.